Hi, today we will learn how to change the download's default location in Google Chrome. The default download directory is in the Downloads. So, let's change it. Go to 3 dots. Settings. Come to Downloads. Here click on Change and select the folder you want to save the files after downloading. Additionally, if you want Google Chrome to ask you every time where to download each file before downloading, then you can activate this. But I really do not need this. By this way, you can simply change the download directory of Google Chrome. Hope this helped you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.